Manufacturing has changed more in the last decade than in the previous 50. Competition is tougher, customer expectations are higher, and skilled labor is harder to find. Today, factories must produce more with fewer people, yet many still rely on old processes and outdated equipment. These issues slow production, reduce quality, and raise costs. Automation and robotics offer a clear path forward. They improve speed, consistency, flow, and safety while removing human limitations from repetitive or dangerous tasks. Labor shortages remain the biggest challenge. Skilled workers retire faster than new workers enter the field. Plants deal with turnover, absenteeism, and long training cycles. Automation reduces dependency on labor, keeps output stable, and allows a small team to manage large production. It also frees employees from dull, unsafe tasks. Human-driven processes create inconsistency and errors. Fatigue leads to defects, scrap, and rework. Robots and machine vision deliver repeatable accuracy, improving quality and reducing waste. Safety risks remain common. Heavy lifting, pushing, and repetitive motion cause injuries and downtime. Automation removes workers from hazardous tasks, improves ergonomics, and lowers injury costs. Many plants also face downtime and aging machines. Predictive sensors and automated monitoring help teams catch issues early and reduce breakdowns. Poor layouts and slow material flow create bottlenecks. Conveyors, ball transfers, AGVs, and robotics streamline movement, reduce walking, and boost throughput. Automation also tightens changeovers, quality checks, traceability, and real-time visibility. MES and ERP systems give managers live data to make faster, smarter decisions. With rising labor costs, manufacturers must find ways to do more with less. Automation enables consistent, around-the-clock production without overtime. In the end, today's biggest manufacturing challenges, labor, quality, safety, downtime, flow, and training, can all be improved with automation and robotics. Automation doesn't replace people. It empowers them. It creates safer workplaces, more consistent output, and more efficient operations. If you're ready to explore automation or material handling solutions, Auto Conveyor can help you take the first step toward a smarter, more productive plant.
Thanks for watching. When it's time for reliable material handling, count on Auto Conveyor. Visit us online at autoconveyor.com, call 508-360-1611, or email info@autoconveyor.com. We keep your materials moving.